Welcome back to TechGuyNaresh. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's start. Check the video description for more details. Copy the link, open it in your browser. Download the zip file. Extract the zip file. To load live wallpaper, I am using Wallpaper Engine app. You can find it on Steam. Or you can use desktop live wallpaper app from Microsoft Store, but it will take heavy CPU usage. If you are using desktop live wallpaper app, then use .wmv file. If you don't want to use both, then use image and set it as a desktop background. Open the Wallpaper Engine app and load the live wallpaper from downloaded folder. Copy all the folders. And paste them into Documents, Rainmeter under Skins folder. Now open Rainmeter application. Refresh all the skins and then load following skins. We'll drag to the proper position. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one. Bye.